In this video, I'll be showing you how to save pictures from text messages on Android. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, the process for saving images from text messages has been streamlined across Android 16 and One UI 8.0. While the interface for Google Messages and Samsung Messages looks more modern, the core methods for downloading media remains fast and efficient. So if you use Google Messages, most Android devices now default to that. You can save images individually or in bulk. So open up the conversation and tap on the image you want to go ahead and save. And then once you go ahead to that, all you got to go ahead and do is tap the download button. And that's going to be in the top right corner. And to save multiple, long press one image in the chat, then tap any other images to select them, then tap the three dots on the top right, and then select Save Images. And then the photos will appear in your gallery or Google Photos under a folder titled Messages. If you're still using the native Samsung Messages app on your Galaxy device, open up the chat and long press the photo, select Save Attachment or Save to Gallery from the pop-up menu, and if you want a bulk save, tap the three dots at the top right of the conversation, then go over to Shared Content or Images, and here you can select all images at once and then tap Save. And yeah, it's as simple as that.